Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 25 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Today it seems like we have a easy problem and especially one that we've done recently, and I say that because it's just the high problem number, right? So tell you what I'm gonna do. I do this often-ish, but yeah, which is that I'm going to do a bonus problem afterwards. Definitely check that out. I'm just trying to. Today I kind of focused on. Today I focused on running. I mean, just kind of getting a couple of easy miles in. Doing a little bit of traveling just this weekend because not that I don't want to travel more, but marathon training is getting high, so there's that. But yeah. An additional announcement, you know that I don't make money off this. I don't intend to make money off this per se. If someone wants to give me money, I guess I won't say no. But in any case, so the only thing that joy I get out of this is you learning. But the other thing is that, check out my Instagram account on the comments. I have a new photo out, and I have a new photo every I have a new photo like every so this is the photo that I have on my Instagram. Go like it, so that makes me feel a little bit better for investing on this. You can go check it out there. I only put up a photo like 3 times a year, 2-3 times a year, so hopefully it's not too much of a spam. And also that also does not lead to money, in case you're wondering. It's not like a side business type thing. It's just it makes me feel nice to be literally liked, I suppose. And just want to I tend to go hiking with ridiculous amount of gear, and hopefully it pays off. In any case, let's take a look at this problem. We'll do a bonus problem afterwards, and then let's go. I just also had Chipotle, so maybe I'm a little getting food coma-y, but all right, let's go. Maximum unique subarray sum after deletion. You give away sum any number of elements without making it empty. After performing the deletion, select a subarray of num such that all elements in the subarray are unique. The sum of the elements of the subarray is maximized. Return the maximum sum, right? Okay. What is the? I mean, I think this one is just like a reading problem, and just to make sure, and I just want to make sure that I read it correctly because it is just a little bit weird. And I think this is a good, maybe beginner problem for understanding the kind of craziness that competitive programmers will throw. Competitive programming problem setters will throw at you, and that like there are a lot of ways to just say this, and they're just trying to confuse you. In a way, because it is easy, it kind of skews that, and of course n is equal to 100 also makes it a little bit easier. So basically, you could delete any. I want to explain a little bit, which is that you can delete any number of elements and then subarray, right? And together, it means that you could choose any subsequence that is left, right? You could delete any number of elements. You could choose a subarray left, but after that, you just have to make sure that the subarray is unique, fair, and then the sum is maximized, right? And of course, in a greedy way, you just choose everything, right? So basically, it is just maybe I would write something like sum. Is that not the answer, or am I confusing things? Because you just like delete stuff that's not unique, right? Or am I misunderstanding this problem? Oh, and negative numbers. I guess you do want to remove negative numbers. That's fine. That's fair. It's nice of them to give us this example, but I guess I didn't really think it through. Oh. I read this as like select. What? Why? How can you select this? Oh, you want to select a subarray. But yeah, I think that's mostly right. Right. Hopefully this is right, because now I'm feeling unconfident. because I forgot about negative numbers. But I guess I just didn't look at the constraint or the example. But yeah, was maximizing sum, of course, that's true. YOLO submit, hopefully. Oh, it cannot be empty. Wow, I am apparently today unserious and a little bit sad. It is what it is. I think that's the only case, right? I hope so, because then I don't want to have like 18 silly mistakes. Let's actually also make sure that apparently in the real contest, well, I assume it's a real contest, I also made so many mistakes. In that one, I got 2 mistakes. It's a little bit of a spoiler, I suppose. So I think and it wasn't even that long ago. It was only 4 months ago, now to look at it. So then I might have missed another case, so let me see if I can, I mean, in a way it is cheating because I just forgot about that case, but that's really sad. What case am I missing? Oh, I see. Because if you have 2 negative numbers, then this is still 0. So, what I want right is maybe that should be good, because that's for the case where you have this but twice, right? Or maybe, well, no, this is bad, because then this one also need to figure that out. Yeah, so that's wrong too. Now I'm just like writing. Let me. My hope of having a one-liner clearly dashed, but yeah. So let me at least make a little bit effort for. So then there is only one unique number. Then we just return. Let's make a list. Otherwise, if it's all negative, I think this is wrong. Man, I am apparently struggling a lot today. I'm always thinking about the next problem, but maybe I shouldn't. Then we just sort nums and then just return the max. Or I guess returning max of nums is fine. Otherwise, then we just return sum of s. Alright, let me YOLO submit. Oh, whew. I didn't make 2 wrong answers today, so that's already an improvement. But that's because I knew about this. Because if I didn't accidentally peek at this and saw that I got 2 wrong answers, I probably would have made the second wrong answer. Because you saw how close I was to getting it wrong. But yeah, two things. This one is just negative numbers. I just didn't think about it. It's very rare that they give. I don't know if it's very rare. I'm just very out of shape, I guess. And the low acceptance rate should have been a hint. But it is what it is. Anyway, hope you enjoy watching me being dumb. But yeah, that's all I have for this problem. It's going to be linear time. The way that I did this linear space, you don't have to do it this way. Probably not. Because, yeah. Yeah, I don't think you have to do it this way. But, that is all I have for this one, though. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.